Ever wonder why you're still broke, no matter how hard you work? It's not just about your paycheck. It's about hidden money traps draining your wallet every day. These traps are designed to be invisible, quietly sabotaging your finances. But once you spot them, you can break free and take control. In this video, we'll reveal the 10 biggest money traps keeping you poor in 2025, and how to escape. Let's dive in. Subscription overload is a sneaky wealth killer. Those $10 and $20 monthly charges add up fast, often to hundreds a year for things you barely use. Audit your subscriptions. Check your last 3 months of statements and cancel anything you haven't used recently. Use the one-in, one-out rule for new subscriptions. Be ruthless. Every cancellation is money back in your pocket. Take control, one subscription at a time. Emotional spending is a trap we all fall into. Shopping to feel better after a tough day. Marketers know this and target your emotions for quick sales. Pause before any non-essential purchase. Try a 24-hour waiting period. Replace shopping with healthier habits. Call a friend, go for a walk. Break the cycle and save your money for what truly matters. Buy now, pay later. Makes expensive purchases feel cheap, but it's a debt trap. It's easy to lose track of multiple payment plans, wrecking your cash flow. Miss a payment, and you're hit with fees or high interest. If you can't pay in full today, you can't afford it. Stick to spending only what you actually have. Not tracking your spending is like driving blind. Small, untracked purchases add up to big leaks in your budget. Track every dollar for 30 days. Use an app, spreadsheet, or notebook. You'll quickly spot where your money is disappearing. Knowledge is power. Plug the leaks and take control. Saving is good, but only saving means inflation eats your money. Invest for long-term growth. Index funds or ETFs are a great start. Even $50 a month compounds over time. Don't wait to be an expert. Just get started. Let your money work for you, not against you. Renting forever can keep you from building wealth. Your rent pays someone else's mortgage, not yours. Explore ownership options. FHA loans, first-time buyer programs, or house hacking. Even small steps toward ownership can build equity. Don't default to renting. Run the numbers for your future. Autopay is convenient, but companies count on you not noticing rising bills. Once a year, audit your recurring bills and call providers for discounts. Mention competitor offers. You'll be surprised how often they lower your rate. Use services like Trim or Rocket Money if you hate negotiating. A few calls can save you hundreds. Don't pay more than you have to. Social media fuels the urge to keep up with others' lifestyles. This leads to lifestyle inflation and unnecessary debt. Unfollow accounts that make you feel behind. Define your own financial goals and celebrate your progress. Focus on your journey, not someone else's highlight reel. Relying on one income is risky in today's world. A single layoff can wipe out your finances overnight. Start a side hustle or build passive income streams. Multiple income sources mean more security. Diversify now. Your future self will thank you. Delaying financial education is the most expensive trap of all. Schools don't teach it, but ignorance costs you every day. Read a personal finance book, follow educational channels, and learn a little each day. The sooner you start, the more you gain. Knowledge is your best defense against every money trap. Invest in yourself. Start learning now. Now you know the 10 money traps keeping you broke. Awareness is your first step to freedom. Pick one trap to tackle this week and make a plan to escape it. Small, consistent actions lead to big results. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs it. Comment below with the trap you're escaping first. Thanks for watching. Start building your wealth today.